Hello, my name is Izak teacher. As you can see, I am from South Africa and I am new to Taiwan. And two things I really like about Taiwan is ice cream milk tea and fried squid. It's really, I've had good times in Taiwan already. Who am I? Well, I am a teacher. I was a teacher back in South Africa, and then I moved to Seoul, South Korea, where I was teaching for 4 years, and then I met my wife. We got married this year in March, and she's definitely a very beautiful woman. I really love sports. One of my favorite sports is golf. I'm really good at golf and rugby. Rugby is a sport that is similar to football, but you pick the ball up and you run with it. It is a really tough sport and not many countries take part in it. I like to do fun activities. One of the things I like to do is have good times with my friends. We like to barbecue. I barbecued in Taiwan the other day. Another thing I like to do is fishing. We do deep sea fishing. It is fun, it's dangerous, but it's rewarding. As you can see here, I caught many fish that day. I really love animals. I love animals. I've always had a dog back home, and so you can see we like fishing because we interact with the animals. Fish are really, there's many different types of fish. One of the things here, as you can see, is lions. So my country really is famous for lions. When they're young, they're very easy to handle and you can pet them and they're quite easy. But when they're old, I wouldn't take the chance. Okay, South Africa versus Africa. Now, many times people think when they hear South Africa, it's the whole of Africa. This is the whole of Africa. And my country is the one right here, south, because on the map, south is down. This is my country. We have 11 provinces, regions, if you can say that. My country is really big, but one of the things that make my country unique is there is a country inside of my country. Okay. So what makes South Africa unique? One of the things that makes us unique is there are 6 colors in our flag. Each color has a specific meaning. We are also called the Rainbow Nation because there are people of many different backgrounds and countries living together in one country. Our country also has 3 capital cities. There are not many countries in the world that has 3 capital cities. Taiwan's capital city is Taipei. My country has Cape Town, Bloemfontein, and Pretoria. Okay. There are 3 different capital cities for a reason. Okay, if we want to compare South Africa to Taiwan, let's look at size. Size, this is South Africa, the orange, and this is Taiwan. As you can see, it's quite large, our country. Okay, South Africa is really famous for wildlife. There are many different species of animals found in my country. But we are very famous for something called the Big Five. Now, if we look here, we can see many different animals. But the Big Five is called the Big Five because they are really big and dangerous. Okay, the lions, the leopard, the elephant, the rhino, and the buffalo. They are the Big Five. You will see later why I call them the Big Five. Okay, lions, they look small. They look about this big. But in real life, this is a grown man's hand. And this is the foot of a lion. The lion is really big and really powerful. As you can see, a grown lion is almost the same size as a man. We wonder sometimes if hippos are cute. They're pink, which is a good color for cuteness, and they're very small when they're born. But it is actually the most dangerous animal in Africa. They hurt many people each year. The teeth is quite large, and the teeth is the size of my forearm. South Africa is also famous for its blue whales. And a blue whale looks from far, it looks quite small. But in reality, it is quite big. As you can see, if you put an elephant, which is a very big animal, or a school bus next to it, it's not even the same size. The heart of a blue whale is so big that we can go inside and play around inside. This is not a real heart. Okay. South Africa has many different types of climates. Taiwan's climate would be warm subtropical or even warm semi-arid. But South Africa, because it's such a big country, it has many climates. We have Mediterranean, cool subtropical, hot, really hot area here, and then here it's very similar to Taiwan. It's humid, but it's very good area for growing coffee, sugarcane, watermelon. Okay, South African currency, talking about money. Why I mentioned the big five earlier is they are all on our money. Okay. If you recognize this person, please say that name. This is Nelson Mandela. You might know him. He was a very important person in our country's history. As you can see, the 100 Taiwan dollar, the red note in Taiwan, is the same value as the 50 Rand note in my country. It's strange that it's the same color. I like it. The value in my country is called Rand, where in Taiwan it's called dollar. Okay, now we're going to talk about some South African food. South Africans are really famous for food. We love our food. We like sweet things, we like savory things, we love salty food, and we really like to barbecue. In my country, we call it braai, not barbecue. We have some sweet food here. This is some old, it's called a koeksister. And this is called milk tart. I really love South African food. It's really good, just like Taiwan's. South Africa is also really famous for sports. This is our national animal, the springbok. And this is our national flower, the protea, the king protea. It's a very beautiful flower. Our country has two very big sports teams. The Springboks, which is our rugby team, and the Proteas, which is our cricket team. We are currently the Rugby World Cup champions, and next year is another Rugby World Cup. We have won the World Cup 3 times. There are many other sports in South Africa. We have cricket, football, hockey, and netball. We also have golf and badminton, and I saw that we have baseball even. Famous people from South Africa. This guy might look familiar. He lives in the United States, but he was born and raised in South Africa. His name is Elon Musk. This is Nelson Mandela. He was a president in our country, the first black president. And this is Charlize Theron. She's a really famous actress that comes from South Africa. We have 11 official languages in South Africa. Everybody speaks English and one other language. The language I speak as well is Afrikaans. It's a mix between Netherlands and Germany's languages together. We have a lot of traditional languages in our country. That means we have many tribes as well. Traditional clothing. Every tribe in my country has their own clothing. The farmers, the Sotho, the Zulu. Okay, as you can see, they sport leopard skin. Okay. Here are a few places that make our country special and beautiful. Number one is the Kruger National Park. It's one of the biggest national parks in Africa. And there you can find all the animals that we spoke about. There are many different mountains and canyons that you can find in my country. This is a very famous area. This is called Cape Town. This mountain is called Table Mountain because it looks as flat as a table. I've been up there and it is really flat. This is called Ushaka Marine World. It's one of the biggest aquariums in Africa, and there are real sharks in there that you can swim with. This is Sun City. If you've ever seen the movie Blended from Adam Sandler, this is where this is. It's one of the biggest water parks in South Africa. And this is called the Namakwa land. This is an area where there's only wild flowers. Good. That is my country. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you.